All right. And this is a Lincoln MKZ. Now I know you might say, well, what's so special about this, TK? I don't know, man. I was, when I was looking for one of these, and I ended up buying a Continental through Copart, actually, rolled over, black label, had it redone. Some people will say that the repair wasn't right because they chopped the roof and put another roof on. I don't care. It worked for me. It was great. This one's hitting the rear doors, but I think it is repairable. A little bit of a buckle in the rear quarter, not much at all. This one is listed as a run and drive, 47,275 miles on this one. She does have power. She's a little dirty, but I think part of that is from being out here. Park brake, limited function. Yeah, okay. Where was the start button on this one? Oh, here it is up top. Doo-doo-doo-doo. She's dead. I missed that sound. Up. She might start. She tried. You heard it just turn over. It's not starting. Something's wrong with it. Yeah, now Fords have this thing when they get into accidents that they will disable. Yeah, let's turn it off. Let's look under the hood. It will, I forget what the hell they call it, but it will literally disable the, is it an inertia switch or something? Like it gets into an accident and it shuts off the fuel pump. And it wouldn't surprise me if that's what we got going on here in the least. Uh-oh. Let me find out, Ford, you're taking BMW things here where you have to pull it twice. Shouldn't have to pull it twice, damn it. Might not be able to access the damn... There we go. All right. The hood is still slowly going up, like that gas shock is tripping. All right. I don't see anything in the engine compartment. Like I said, it's probably literally just that switch. That, accident switch, I think is what the, inertia switch. This is not closing either. All right, let's see if this... All right. Maybe because the hood was doing... I know it's not the hood, but I'll give her one more shot. I'll give her one more shot, man. Nope, she's dead. All right. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm not going to spend any more time on it. I like running and driving vehicles, not ones like this. Nice car though. I could see, I mean, it's just an overpriced Ford Fusion. If you want me to keep it 100 with you, it's literally just a Ford Fusion. An overpriced Ford Fusion, or a luxury Ford Fusion. There you go. All right, we're out. All right, guys, we're gonna keep it on moving. See if I can find you guys something else before we go jump into the live auction today. I am through my list, but you never know, man. Sometimes you can freestyle it and come across something super cool. So I'm gonna look and see if I can find something super cool. We'll give it a shot. There's an 86. Well, a nice S90 Volvo we're about to come up on. Mustang, y'all know what time it is. Take a drink. S90 with the T5. It is ragged. Oh, they crowbarred the damn trunk open. Ouch. And it's burnt, like it's toasty. That's why they crowbarred it open. Toasty. Something must have caught on fire in the trunk. Ouch. Then you got this with a broken CV axle, broken whatever. The whole suspension busted on this one. 04 Buick LeSabre. Wonder how the rest of the car looks outside of that broken axle and suspension, because, oh, broke on both sides. They must have ran over something at a high rate of speed. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Damn. I was half interested when I only saw it look like it ripped the axle out and there was no real body damage. I was kind of like, that could be interesting. And then I got a hard hell no when I got a closer look. I got a hard hell no when I got a closer look. All right. Let's look and see. You never know, man. Sometimes they have cool, there's just something you just don't expect to see and it just boom, hits you right in the face. You never know, man. You never know what you're gonna see if you just walk. Ooh, like that Corolla. Ooh, say it with me, man. Damn. I'm not even gonna say smash. That's just damn. That is just damn. All right. Let's keep it looking. Oh, look. I know y'all gonna be like, damn it. I know y'all were like, no BMWs, no BMWs, no BMWs. And then I'm like, ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at this. How do you know I wasn't coming over here to look at the Challenger? I love these old BMWs, man. It's a bio, 158,000 miles. I know why it's a bio, because the window's stuck down. Is it a manual? It is. It's a 5-speed manual. It doesn't run. Trunk is taped shut. Huh. Well, yeah, nope. They got this Challenger right here. That's all kinds of levels of screwed up. Rear end buckled and pushed out. Interior airbags blown. Yeah. I would say that's a, oh yeah. And then you get over here. You get over here and you can see it's a hole wrap over here. Completely smashed. Wow. Yeah, see the thing with the Challenger, when you get any damage, whether it's like here or whatever, if you get this, they got to reskin this car from the back all the way to the front. It's all one piece. It sucks. It is a massive pain in the ass. Yeah, this BMW is not bad. It's a 535 too. Dual exhaust, 120. That's not bad. What year is this? It's an 11. Oh, this was the year I had a 535 from 2011. It got destroyed in Hurricane Matthew, unfortunately. All right. Hey, she fired up. No check engine light yet. Increased battery discharge, you think? I'm gonna let you run for a minute there, sweetie, so you can recharge that battery. The battery causes most of your check engine lights in this damn car. Clean interior. She looks pretty good all the way around. Insurance claim. Don't know what it's here for. Brakes seem to work. She goes into gear. Yeah. Yeah. Battery discharging while stopped. Electrical devices were temporarily switched off. Yeah, that was probably because it was, you know, dead. Or almost dead. Low tire. Stop carefully. One of the tires must be flat. I should walk around the other side. I bet you it's got some damage. We're going to let this run for a second. I know it's low. AC works great. It's got the nice PPF. This clear skin on the front, on the hood, to try to protect it from rock chips. So that tire's flat. Oh, there's the damage. That's why it's here. The rear quarter. But you know what? Some of y'all are gonna say I'm a scumbag for this, but I would drill holes in it and I would pull that crap out, and I'd have a body fill it because it doesn't look too bad. Body fill it, place that bumper cover, or even repair it, and call it a day. But that's just me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I think this is a decent reclamation project. And I bet, because, oh, does it have soft closed doors? Hold on. No, it doesn't. Okay, mine had soft closed doors where you could just, ooh, wow. I don't like that at all. Did you see that? I opened the door and like a gush of water came out. The door frame's holding water. Oof. But what I liked about it was, you know, like, look, you could do that and my doors would close on my 535. So mine was a little different. Mine had a couple more options, evidently. But anyways, there you have it. All right, guys, that is going to do it for the live walk around portion of today's video. We will go ahead and get into the live auction portion, which will allow you guys to see what some of these vehicles are selling for. If this was interesting for you today or something you enjoyed, maybe it's the first time you've been to the channel, click the thumbs up button, check out some of the other videos, hit the subscribe button because it's 100% free if you haven't already, and hang out, watch the auction. If you're interested and you want to get into bidding and doing some of this stuff yourself, you can do so. Just go to copart.com/TK's Garage. Links are down in the description. You can sign up for a guest account, watch a few auctions. If you're feeling froggy and you want to jump, maybe bid on something, you can sign up for a basic membership, or you can sign up for a full membership. It's totally up to you. But definitely go check it out, copart.com/TK's Garage. And also, we got some new merch going up. You can go check out tk'sgarage.com. And unfortunately, guys, the camera dies at that point. We're not actually going to get into the live auction. That's actually going to do it for the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And I will catch you guys very soon on the next one. Yeah.